guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's cleaning day and I'm basically cleaning this rack behind me because it's messy. It's interfering with my life now. Okay, so this is basically my clothing rack. So I'm trying to figure out where to even start first of all. So it's obviously like a lot of mess. There's like a lot of tops just hanging around, and basically I'm just trying to like think of like a system, I guess, just trying to like make it a bit more easy to kind of like pick things, find things. So at first it was like a situation where I had like my tops, because I wanted everything hanged up, so I put like the tops on the hangers as well, but I'm kind of thinking that that's not really working anymore. And then I've got like this bottom part at the bottom, I'll show you in a second. There's like two shelves at the bottom, but the thing is that when the tops are on the shelf below, because I have bottoms hanged up over here, it's like I have to like excuse everything out of the way to like look at my tops and pick tops. So I think what I'm gonna do first is just kind of like clean up the front of the clothing rack, see what I have, and basically kind of work through there. Okay, so now I've separated everything. So everything that is like nicer, don't wear that often, is on the top, and the more casual stuff is at the bottom. So now I need to kind of go to the first shelf at the bottom and clean it out, and basically, yeah, clean it out. So that's what I'm doing next. Okay, so this is the shelf part. It's like really messy, but there's just like socks, bras, and basically my house clothes over here as well. So that's basically what the top is. But like, do you see like what I mean? Like, because everything falls quite low, it's kind of hard to like, you know, look and see what's actually on the second shelf. So that's basically my problem. That's like what I'm trying to fix almost. And then at the bottom, the last little shelf part, I've just got, this is, I mean, it's meant to be like my knickknacks and stuff. I've got some bras here as well, some socks. So it's kind of just like delicates and just a few house tops. But yeah, so this is like my main kind of trying to figure out what to do. Basically, this is the main thing, just trying to make the like middle part just a bit more accessible, I guess. I might have to put more stuff at the back so that I can leave maybe the middle open, and then it's just a bit easier to grab stuff from this shelf over here. So this is the top part. So the top is basically like stuff that I don't really wear that regularly. you know, because like that's why it's at the that's why it's behind. So back here is just a bit more of the like more different pieces, like this pink shorts and crop top. Like I'm not gonna wear that every single time, do you know what I mean? And then the front is just like everyday more regular stuff.